So Heap is really not a product tool, it's really a whole new approach to doing product management.
What Heap provides is a smarter way to make products.
What do you build first? Like, how do you have the most impact and solve that pain point immediately? Heap is the first place I go to start answering questions.
One of the most frustrating things is needing an event and you having to instrument it afterwards. Having something like auto capture means that you'll already have it available and you can start running your tests straight away.
And what it means is that you can essentially get a baseline for something that you're interested in, even before you knew you were interested in it, which is really cool.
I honestly sleep better at night knowing that Heap is recording everything that everyone is doing, and if I ever want to go back and evaluate something, I know it's there without having had to plan it up front.
One of the things I really like is the ability to test hypotheses really quickly. The data's right there, and so it gives me the ability to do things that I couldn't do otherwise.
One of the coolest things about Heap is that it doesn't just end at reporting, but it allows you to discover and explore your data so you can learn new insights.
I think another important thing with Heap is that it's pretty accessible across the org. You don't need to know SQL or be sort of super technical to use Heap.
You can have a non-technical person build pretty powerful and insightful reports that get information from the analytics without going to bother the engineering team.
If a customer visits your site on web and mobile, Heap can allow you to combine that data into a single account. It lets you segment that and then target that user as well.
With Heap, you can test ideas. You can figure out what works and what doesn't. You can improve your product over time based on data. There's no need to shoot the moon. You can actually apply the scientific method to how you build your product.
Well, I think what Heaps enable is both a very focused, rational, scientific, and very creative approach to product management.
Well, if you're trying to make a great product, there's no excuse to not be using something like Heap.